Hey, Anna. No.
Hey, what's up guys, it's your boy MickeyDees and I'm back with another video. Today, I'm gonna do a prank. This is like my first prank video. Hopefully it goes well. Kind of scared because I might get prank made back and it like cause like a prank war. But so what's gonna happen is, yep, let's ram up the car. Alright, let's get started. Alright guys, well I'll give you guys 5 seconds if you guys could please like and subscribe. And I'll wait. There? Alright, let's go. Thank you. Alright, let's get started then. She comes out right now. Here we go. I'm gonna need a little bit more help because it's a struggle. So I'm gonna tell my grandma girl to help me out. Jackie, let's get it.
Hey, what's up, guys?
Well, I think we are gonna have enough, so just the issue now is just to be her coming out and looking at it before we actually tell her to come out, but or before we finish. But I'm pretty sure it's gonna be enough. But let's go get it.
Let's go. And then we
all right, so this is how we have it so far. We have it on this little stick. It's a bit easier, as you can see, because that thing right here will burn us as we're rolling. Like, it was not cool. It's not a cool feeling. Just don't hit the car now. Let me help you, Heather. Prank wars, I guess, is on. I feel like I'm gonna get pranked, that's why. I think we're done already. Take a look at it. Leave a comment of what you think, how it looks. And well, here you go. Alright, so we just covered the car with the car cover, for she won't like assume anything. But there's still like plastic hanging down there, so maybe she'll like find out like about like something's wrong with the car. But alright guys, so she just came out the shower. I'm gonna be walking with her towards the car with my GoPro, and we're gonna see her reaction. So let's get it. This is my GoPro.
Are you gonna go there?
I'm gonna here. I mean, I pull out the other one. Yeah. Who did this?
Who fucking did this?
I don't know.
It was fucking you, huh?
How?
Who did this?
Not me.
Mickey,
What?
you know you could fucking damage this shit.
Well, I didn't do nothing.
Yes, you
man.
fucking did.
Oh my god. I'll take it off. I'll take it off. I'll take it off. Oh.
Take it off, Mickey. Watch, I'm gonna do some shit to your fucking car too.
I want to take it off though.
Then fucking take it off, Mickey. You play too much. Swear.
You already need a stick there.
Ey, Ana. Tú también, ¿por qué andas con esa pinche cámara? Stop. No, Ana. No. I swear. I have to go, Mickey. Hurry up.
My head right now. She threw me the chair.
Oh my god, don't tell me that shit got stuck.
Oh.
I give you guys 5 minutes. And I'm gonna time you guys too. Mickey, are you ready to start prank war?
I had told them in the beginning I was scared of doing this. And now I get pranked. You got fucking stuck life.
Ooh, Mickey, you don't even know. You don't even know what's gonna happen to you.
Well, I didn't know it was gonna end this way, but it came out good. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it.
Ya, baja este pinche video. Get it off.
Chill. Well, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And peace.